Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how to edit videos in CapCut. Let's get into it. First of all, open CapCut on your PC. Once it's open, let's start by creating a new project. Once you're in the CapCut video editor, you can import media files from your computer's media library. Alternatively, you can explore the stock materials from the left sidebar. In the stock materials, you can either use the search bar or scroll down to find the files you need. Once you've found them, drag them onto the timeline. You can adjust the length of the videos or photos by stretching them from the sides or by splitting them using the toolbar. If you want to increase the speed of a specific video clip, select it and then go to the Speed tab on the top right side. Increase the speed by sliding the line or setting a specific value. Once you're done with the video adjustments, let's move on to adding text. Open the Text tab from the top bar. You can either add default text or explore text templates from the left sidebar. Drag any template onto a new track and adjust its length by stretching from the sides. To change the text, select the template on the track, and then replace the text in the text bar on the top right side. Resize the text by sliding the scale line or setting a value in percentage. Now let's play to preview. If everything looks good, let's move on to adding stickers. Scroll down to find the desired sticker or use the search bar. Once you find it, drag it onto the track and adjust its position and size in the Video Preview tab. Next, let's add effects. Open the Effects tab from the top bar, select any effect, and drag it onto the track. On the last video clip, let's add a filter. Open the Filter tab, select a filter, and drag it onto the track. Once you're done with effects and filters, you can make your video more engaging by applying transitions. Drag transitions between the joint points of the videos. You can apply the same or different transitions according to your need. If you're using background voice and want to add captions, explore the Captions tab. Select your language and then click on Generate to automatically apply captions. You can also add background music or sound effects to make the video more engaging. Once everything is set, play the video to preview. And that's it. That's how you can edit videos in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.